Hey guys, I made mini crocheted hearts and bows. I strung them to make a garland, but you could also sew them onto things like sweaters and bags or add a magnet to the back. I used red yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. This was with a smaller hook and this was with a bigger hook. There was just a slight difference in the sizes. First I made a magic circle. To do this, wrap the end of the yarn over your fingers twice to form an X. Bring your hook under the first strand and pull the second strand through it. Hold the loop in place with your finger. Yarn over and pull it through the loop created. This is a slip stitch. You should have an adjustable loop. Next, make 2 chain stitches. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. That's 1 and 2. Then make 2 treble crochets. Yarn over twice, go through the circle, yarn over, and pull it through the circle. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. Yarn over again, pull it through 2 loops. Yarn over, and pull it through both loops. That's 1. And 2. Then make 3 double crochets. Yarn over, go through the circle, yarn over, and pull it through the circle. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over again, and pull it through both loops. That's 1, 2, and 3. Then make 1 chain stitch to create half the heart. Reverse the order to create the other half. Make 1 chain stitch, then 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Followed by 2 treble crochets, 1, 2, 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, and a slip stitch. Go through the circle, yarn over, and go through the circle and the loop. Cut the yarn and pull the end through the loop. I brought the end of the yarn to the back of the heart. Then tighten the circle. Using a tapestry needle, tuck in the ends and cut the extra yarn. For the bow, I use a thinner yarn and a G crochet hook. I use the same steps as my I-cord variation tutorial. Place 2 strands over the hook with the ends facing forward. Bring the ends between the 2 strands and to the right. Then bring the right strand under the other one and to the left. It should look like this. Bring the now left cord over the hook into the front and pull it through the 2 loops. This is strand 1 and this is strand 2. Bring strand 2 over the hook into the back. Then bring strand 1 over the hook into the front and pull it through the 2 loops. Continue the pattern until you get the length that you want. Wrap 2, then 1, and pull it through the loops. I did this 40 times. At the end, bring both strands over the hook and through the loop. Cut the yarn and pull the ends completely through the loop. Then I tied a bow. Tuck in the ends and cut the extra yarn. And here's how they turned out.